Hello and welcome to Joe's Nails Do-It-Yourself channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from round shape of your nail to square shape. You can do it in two ways. One, you can just use a nail file and adjust your nail. Or first, you can use some scissors to cut your nail, and then you use the nail file to adjust it. Some important tip: when you adjust your nail with the nail file, make sure you remove everything that's under the nail, every cuticle, every leftover of your nail. Here are your perfect square nails. Hope you find this useful. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification. Until next time, take care. Bye.